Okay, so today this is going to be similar to our science where I'm giving you all of the worksheets for the week at once, but we're only starting on a few of them today, and I have an activity for you to do, and then we'll finish them on Thursday. So a map is a picture that shows information about different places, and a map is usually flat. Now, here's an interesting thing. You've probably seen a globe of the world before that kind of looks like this, but wrapped in a ball. And that is called a globe, which is a kind of map that's not flat. But we don't really use maps very much anymore because we have lots of GPSs and navigation on our phones and in our cars. So we don't see paper maps the same way we used to. But that's what we're learning about this week and where to find our community on a map. So this is a map of the whole world. And maybe you've seen it before, and maybe, like I said, you've seen it on a globe. So parts of a map are the title tells us what the map is about. The compass rose shows the directions on the map. So north, east, south, and west. So it shows you which way. That's the way that you would know which way to put the map so you could tell which way to go better. Because you have to have it facing the right way or else you'll just be walking in circles. The legend or key of a map tells what symbols and colors mean. So it would show you that maybe if you see something blue, that means Edmonton, red is Calgary, and green is Red Deer. Um, so it would show you stuff like that. And sometimes there's symbols on the legend. So if there was this little house in the legend, it would say, this represents a house, or this represents a hotel, and you would know what it means. And the scale of a map sometimes shows you how far it is. So this is showing that that much space of real space on the map shows that many kilometers. So it kind of helps you see the distance. So we don't need to know lots and lots about all of these right now, but if you have a map in your house, or your parents have one, around maybe in the car, if someone has an old one, like I said, we don't use them very much anymore. Or you could look at a map on a phone. Look at a map if you can find one and explore what it looks like. Maybe a map of your community, because we're all living in different communities because we're all online. So some of us are in Devon, some of us are in Westlock or Spruce Grove or Stony Plain or Hinton. So we're kind of all over the place. So I want you to see if you can find a map of your community and look at the places, see if you can recognize some places on it, just to explore. Then that's where we're going to stop on these today. On Thursday, we're going to explore more about the world map and where Canada is in Alberta. So leave those for Thursday. But what I want you to go and do now is take a piece of paper and make a map of your bedroom. So when we're making a map, like you can see on this one, of the world, my computer doesn't want to work right now. When we're looking at the map of the world, we call it a bird's eye view. So it's like you're looking from the top. So I want you to imagine that you're looking down at your bedroom from on top of your roof. Like you have no roof on your house and you're looking into your bedroom, what it would look like. So draw the shape of the room and where the bed is, and maybe you have a dresser or a toy box or something. So draw a map of your bedroom and make sure you have a title on it. And you can upload it on the next slide for me to see. And then we'll continue with the other slides on Thursday.